Okay, this is the follow-up for the crashing 13900 KS. Chrome is unresponsive. Relaunch now. My resolution is weird. So what happened here? It just crashed. Okay. So we're back to some normality. So what do we want to show? Hardware info. Let's kick up the brightness a bit. So what do we have here? We have we have 48 gigabytes of RAM, 13900 KS, running at 5 gigahertz, capped with very low voltages, and these are the memories running at stock speeds, 5600, automatic timings, nothing tuned essentially, because otherwise it's way too unstable, right? And then I've just opened some stuff. Down here I have the memory. Okay, let's open this guy because it's more visible, but I have 44% of my memory free right here, right? And then trying to open one more program. Okay, this time it opened actually. Oh yeah, because this browser is crashed. But let's restore the YouTube videos. Okay, we're ramping up stuff, and let's do dot. It's not even trying to start because it just crashed. Okay. Relaunching Steam. Oh, this browser crashed as well. And this, oh yeah, so all the browsers crashed. So let's restore some pages. Yeah, and we're back to 80%. And now it crashes again. So as soon as it reaches 80%, everything starts crashing. So now we're at 73. And I can't even start explaining how much worse it is if it's working at even slightly higher frequencies, this CPU. It's like the worst thing ever. So this is going up to 77, 79. and crash. Just about at 80, it just crashes every time for no apparent reason. And what happened? This browser crashed. These are still running. This is working. Okay, let's try again. So if I close something like, let's say this browser, oh no, it started downloading an update. So what can we do to use up some RAM? I just don't have other programs, to be honest. What can we do except open a bunch of websites? Let's go with just opening some videos. It's not using enough RAM. Let's try this one. Yeah. And now it's crashing.
In popular culture, the term IQ is
Crash reporter. Your tab just crashed. And as you can see, I'm not even at 80% now. So what's happening here? What happened with the Dota? Oh, the Dota crashed. Yeah. So it just finished downloading. It crashed. In the background, these are still working. So Dota is using up some RAM. Oh no, I can't move this. It's going to crash any second now. Yeah, there we go. Crashes are always random. Of course, the night light is crashing. Wow. Okay, let's close something. Oh, this crashed. This crashed. It's like, what is this red screen, guys? Night light. Oh, it's the night light. It's not working at all. Okay, so I freed up some RAM. I can't start night light. Okay, now it works. Turning it on. So now I'm at 60 and launching Dota. The sad part is I have this powerful CPU and I'm not even using it. And now Dota is completely working normally. So this happens every time at 80%. And I have reduced everything I could. Like I've been trying to reduce stuff. It's always crashing. So now this is working fine. Now let's try the Intel processor testing tool. Oh, hardware info crashed as well, it seems. Okay. Where's the hardware? So as you can see, if you can see down here, there's no cooling problems. It's running at 45 degrees. Just 120 watts. Like super low stuff. But browsers crashing randomly. Just run the computer switches off randomly. Stuff like that. Anyone has any solutions? Let's just wait this test. I don't even know why is now it self-lowered itself to 4900 and the efficiency course to 3800 for some reason of its own. I think after a crash it has this sort of recovery mode where it automatically lowers stuff. And then this is fixed with a restart, I guess. It's not focusing. No focus. Wow, this CPU is running such a low power. At such low powers. It's crazy. And it's still not functioning properly. Come on, CPU load test. Wow, it's taking ages, right? Yeah, we passed. And let's do Intel Extreme Tuning Benchmark just to see what kind of numbers we'll get. Just to show you how ridiculously low these numbers are. So this processor is currently running as a 3500, 13500 or something. 150 watts. Below 6000. 420. And the thing is, let's use some profile, which is, let's say, which one? This one. Or this one. At 530 gigahertz, just below 1200. How is it pulling just 160 watts? It has 300 amps ICC max, okay, and still doing 6300. So it's in some recovery mode. I can't even boost it. What can we do? Increase the amps to something within spec. Turbo 44. Okay. Okay. So these are sort of below spec numbers for the 13900 KS. Okay, going into 200 watts. Finally. This is sort of stable place. What? 5,500? Yeah, because I have open stuff. Okay. Let's just open again some videos. Trying, yeah, and instant crashes again. The funny thing is it's not crashing. It's not resetting the, yeah, there we go. That PC shuts off. If I boost the frequencies just a little bit more.